Hello children, this is our English notebook. Take out our English notebook, pencil and eraser. Okay. First you have to write CW and date here. Use sound. Okay. UN family words. use sound में UN family words यहाँ लिखना है complete. UN family words. BUN bun. BUN bun. SUN sun. RUN run. GUN gun. Okay, next UG family words. MUG mug. JUG jug. BUG bug. RUG rug. RUG rug. UP family words. CUP cup. PUP pup. UD family words. BUD bud. MUD mud. UT family words. CUT cut. BUT butt. NUT nut. HUT hut. Okay children, you have to complete it CW and HW also. Thank you.